Hello. Hi. Today I want to talk about grading methods. That's kind of important. So just let me know what we're gonna do. Just for example, if this is like a say a bank, and we have let's just draw a random line here. If we have like see here, this we have a road. This is a line here. Um, and say this is a road, okay, or so this is a boundary. And what if we want to exactly grade our topo to this road, to this edge, okay, like just grade everything to this bank, okay, instead of just enter a number and see how the boundary looks like. What if we just want to exact um, exact service that connect this feature line and this bank. So this is what we're gonna do. So to do this, we need to do some things. So let's say this bank can be a little bit shorter. Okay. So basically, what we do is you need to first you need to draw a boundary line. So I just use the polyline tool. I collect this line and just start drawing it. Well, actually, we don't draw it right now. The first thing is, uh, so let's say this feature line is already what we need. See here, so it's flat, it's super flat. Than the previous land. Okay, so we just create an infill on here, and then we grade. That's the key. Okay, when you grade it, so if you wanna smooth transition, right? So this is side, and you wanna apply the intelligence. Usually we click yes, but right now you don't. We do no. Okay, just click no, and then you wanna start from somewhere. Just choose a place that is because you wanna give side slope for it. I usually wanna start from like somewhere here, and just click and hit enter, and then all the way to somewhere here near the edge. Okay, hit enter. And the cut grade I make 30, but the fill grade I will make it really gentle, like 10%, sometimes 5%, but this time I make it 10%. Let's click OK, and see here they will do great. They are grading for us. They'll connect this line to the existing topo, um, which is what they do. So actually I do some modification. I just change them to 5%, so we have more fuel. Um, so that's pretty good. And then what do we do next is we're easy. We just draw polylines, okay? But this time you wanna follow the road, which is this road, right? And just start drawing. But one thing you need to keep in mind is you want to connect your drawing to this to the cut and fill edge. Okay, what I call people call daylight. Okay, is because this edge is on the surface, right? You wanna touch the edge. Okay, you wanna connect to the edge. The same thing with this end. So just draw it, draw a straight line, then just turn. So here, it's pretty cool. So once we have this, we just make sure you join them. Just join. So they're joined. So just one line, and then I create a feature line from object. Remember the site, all that. Okay. From service, existing service, and then yeah, and make sure it's existing service. Okay. And then there will be a feature line down here. Then what we do is we're easy. You just create infill, and when you hover over, you will see they will automatically detect the infill. Just make sure if you connect to here to this red edge, you will definitely successfully have an infill. Okay, if I click it, then that's it. Okay, it's very easy, simple method. You don't even need to do anything. So you already have it here. Okay. Um, so I think it's pretty straightforward. Let me just show it again down here. So you see here, they have a perfect transition. So this is our land, right? And it's 2%. And this is the existing edge. And they just connect them perfectly. Okay. So that's usually the way of doing it. Just remember this way, because it's kind of used a lot in the real life. Because sometimes we don't care how much grade from here to here, and it's not exact grade all everywhere. So usually when we grade, like grade to surface or something, the side slope is the same grade, right? But here in this case, it's not because it changed the grade. Okay, but um, use infill, you can easily create a transition in this case. All right. So that's this. Thank